Dashboards are powerful tools for visualizing data and gaining insights into various aspects of business performance. They provide interactive and intuitive interfaces for users to explore and analyze data. Here are the key components and features of SAC dashboards: interactive charts and graphs, smart insights, storytelling, predictive analysis, financial performance management, human resources analysis, sales and marketing analysis.
Welcome to Capital Expenditure and Asset Performance Intelligence Dashboard. This dashboard provides a comprehensive and real-time view of asset utilization, operational efficiency, production performance, and capital investment across refineries, plants, and asset categories. From utilization rates and downtime analysis to CAPEX performance and maintenance costs, the dashboard helps organizations maximize asset productivity, reduce operational risks, and improve financial performance. We begin with a high-level overview of the most critical asset performance KPIs. The utilization percentage currently stands at 79%, providing visibility into how efficiently organizational assets are being utilized across operations. Next, the downtime percentage is recorded at 21%, helping businesses monitor operational interruptions and identify opportunities to improve equipment reliability. The total production output currently stands at 4 million units, representing the overall production contribution generated by operational assets. Moving on, the total asset value is measured at $2,416 million, providing a clear view of the organization's total capital investment in operational assets. Finally, the average asset age stands at 10 years, helping organizations evaluate asset lifecycle maturity and long-term replacement planning. Together, these KPIs provide a strong foundation for monitoring operational efficiency, asset utilization, and capital performance. Now, let's explore the visualizations that bring the asset insights to life. The utilization percentage by asset type pie chart highlights utilization distribution across asset categories, such as compressors, drilling equipment, offshore rigs, pipelines, refinery units, and storage assets, helping businesses identify highly utilized operational assets. Next, the downtime percentage by plant donut chart compares downtime performance across refineries, including Vizag Refinery, Panipat Refinery, Jamnagar Refinery, Mumbai Refinery, Kochi Refinery, and Mangalore Refinery, enabling teams to monitor operational disruptions plant-wise. The production output over timeline chart tracks production trends across months and quarters, helping organizations monitor operational productivity and output fluctuations over time. Moving on, the asset value distribution by asset type tree map provides visibility into capital allocation across different asset categories, such as storage, drilling equipment, pipelines, refinery units, offshore rigs, and compressors. Together, these visualizations provide actionable insights into asset productivity, operational efficiency, and capital allocation. Filtering options allow users to customize the dashboard based on business requirements. Users can filter the dashboard by date, asset type, and plant name to analyze asset performance across different operational dimensions. With this dashboard, organizations gain improved visibility into operational efficiency, asset reliability, and capital utilization. It enables proactive asset performance monitoring by identifying underutilized assets and operational bottlenecks early. It improves production planning and operational visibility using real-time asset intelligence. And it supports long-term asset optimization by helping businesses balance production efficiency, maintenance performance, and capital investment. In short, this dashboard serves as a centralized intelligence platform for smarter asset utilization monitoring and operational decision-making. Now, let's move to the second page of the dashboard, the CAPEX and financial performance page, focused on investment performance, maintenance efficiency, and operational cost analysis. We begin with the key financial and operational KPIs. The CAPEX spend currently stands at $2,093 million, providing visibility into the organization's total capital expenditure across operational assets. Next, the revenue generated is recorded at $2,700 million, helping businesses evaluate overall financial performance and operational returns. The ROI on assets currently stands at 16%, representing the profitability generated from asset investments. Moving on, the maintenance cost is measured at $103 million, helping organizations monitor maintenance spending and operational upkeep efficiency. Finally, the operating cost stands at $177 million US, providing insight into overall operational expenditure across departments and assets. Together, these KPIs provide a complete view of financial efficiency, asset profitability, and operational spending. Now, let's explore the detailed visualizations. The CAPEX distribution by asset type tree map highlights capital investment allocation across assets, such as storage, pipelines, refinery units, drilling equipment, offshore rigs, and compressors, helping businesses identify high investment operational areas. Next, the revenue trend over time visualization tracks revenue performance across reporting periods, enabling teams to monitor financial growth and operational profitability trends. The maintenance cost by asset type chart compares maintenance expenses across asset categories, such as storage, drilling equipment, pipelines, refinery units, offshore rigs, and compressors, helping organizations identify assets with higher maintenance overheads. Moving on, the operating cost by department donut chart provides visibility into departmental operating expenses across engineering, finance, maintenance, operations, production, and supply chain functions. Together, these visualizations provide deeper insights into capital expenditure performance, maintenance efficiency, and cost optimization opportunities. This dashboard enables proactive financial monitoring by improving visibility into CAPEX allocation and operational spending. It enhances strategic asset planning through real-time insights into maintenance and profitability performance. And it supports cost optimization initiatives by helping organizations balance investment, operational efficiency, and financial returns. In short, this page acts as a strategic control center for capital expenditure analysis and asset performance management. This summary table provides a centralized view of asset performance, operational efficiency, and financial metrics across asset types, plants, and regions. It combines key operational and financial KPIs into a single analytical view, helping businesses monitor production performance, maintenance costs, asset utilization, and capital investment efficiency. Metrics like CAPEX, maintenance cost, and revenue help organizations evaluate financial performance and investment effectiveness across operational assets. Production output, utilization percentage, and downtime percentage provide insights into operational productivity, asset efficiency, and equipment reliability. Asset age helps businesses assess asset lifecycle maturity and long-term replacement planning strategies. With filters for date, asset type, and plant name, users can perform detailed and role-specific analysis based on operational and financial requirements. Overall, this summary table transforms asset and financial data into actionable insights, enabling faster decision-making, improved operational efficiency, optimized maintenance planning, and stronger capital expenditure management.
For information on these dashboards, KPIs, or required features, please contact Vast Technologies.